Hola, buenos días. Hoy es el 21 de abril. We can start with the prayer today en el nombre del Padre, del Hijo y del Espíritu Santo. Amén. Padre nuestro, que estás en el cielo, santificado sea tu nombre. Venga a nosotros tu reino. Hágase tu voluntad en la tierra como en el cielo. Danos hoy nuestro pan de cada día. Perdona nuestras ofensas, como también nosotros perdonamos a los que nos ofenden. No nos dejes caer en tentación y líbranos del mal. Amen. Welcome back. Looks like we're going to be doing this for another couple of weeks. So today I'm going to give you an assessment on Chapter 6a. That's the only thing you have to complete today. So I would take the first 20 minutes or so for review. And then once you've had the time to do the things that you see on your screen here, review your Quizlet vocab from sessions 4 and 5, review your notes on comparisons, go back to any of the work from Chapter 6a and look at my comments, go ahead and do revisions and resubmissions. Then you should complete the assessment on Schoology. The assessment is timed. It is it gives you 45 minutes to complete it, and it is worth 40 points. And obviously, because you're home and you have your materials, you may use your notes. Before you do anything, though, I did just want to review comparisons with you for a minute. In some of your work last week, when you were comparing the pictures of the two bedrooms, some of you have made a couple of mistakes. Comparing the two bedrooms is very much like comparing any two things, whether it's people and we're making a comparison between somebody being tall and somebody being short, or if it's the rooms and one room is very messy and one room is very clean, or if it's between activities and preferences. Comparisons will always be the same. You'll use más with your adjective and the word que if something is more blank than something else. Use menos in your adjective and the word que if something is less something than something else. So for example, if I wanted to say la hamburguesa es menos deliciosa, hamburguesa, que la pizza. If I wanted to tell you that me interesa más la historia que el inglés, I'm more interested in history than in English. So I could compare activities and things as well. Me gusta más leer que bailar. I like to read more than dance. Más que more than, menos que less than. The other comparative words you had were mejor and peor. Mejor is better than, and peor is worse than. We use this rather than saying más bien or más bueno. Those are not correct. Just like in English, we can't say more good. We use mejor. And then peor is its opposite, worse. The other ones that you had were mayor and menor. These refer to age. Mayor replaces más viejo, and menor replaces más joven. These can only be used with people. They would not be used with the bedrooms to say one bedroom is older than another. And they would not be used with things like the hamburger and pizza, right? We can't say something is younger than something else. Okay, so I would take a look at this again as well. Perhaps use these notes to look over your comparisons of the bedrooms. Take your time to review. Again, I'd suggest about 20 minutes, and then you have about 45 to take the assessment. There is a listening portion in the assessment. There's a video embedded that you should be able to use, and do not forget that I will have to check your writing, so your grade will not be complete until I've done that. All right, buena suerte. Hasta el viernes.